You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You can inspire an individual, provide them with all the necessary tools and opportunities. But ultimately, you cannot force them to take action. This timeless adage captures the essence of human nature, the innate power of choice. Throughout life, we encounter countless situations where we can guide, encourage, and support others. But their actions remain their own. While it may be frustrating at times to witness those we care about not seizing the opportunities presented to them, understanding this proverb can help us navigate our own paths more effectively. By focusing on our own actions and choices, we can make the most of the opportunities that come our way, bringing us closer to success and fulfillment. This proverb reminds us that while we can be a catalyst for change in other people's lives, ultimately, they must choose whether or not to embrace the opportunities before them. So let us strive to lead by example, offer guidance and support, but always remember that the power to act lies within each individual. Ultimately, it is up to the individual to take action and make decisions in their own life, no matter how much guidance or support we provide. We cannot force someone to change or seize opportunities. It is important to remember that everyone has their own path and their own journey to take. However, this does not mean that our efforts to lead, inspire, and support others are in vain. Our actions and words can still have a powerful impact on those around us. By being a positive role model and offering guidance, we can create an environment where individuals feel empowered to make choices and take action. While we cannot control the outcome or force someone to do something, we can still provide all the necessary tools and resources to help them along their way. We can foster a supportive and encouraging environment that allows individuals to explore their own potential and make decisions that align with their values and goals. In the end, it is important to recognize that we can only control our own actions and choices. By focusing on our own personal growth and development, we can lead by example and inspire others through our own accomplishments and successes. So let us continue to lead horses to water, but always remember that the decision to drink lies solely with them. The proverb, "You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink," speaks to the timeless truth that we can provide opportunities and guidance to others, but we cannot force them to take action. This adage reminds us that ultimately, decisions and actions are in the hands of each individual. While it may be frustrating to witness others not seizing the opportunities presented to them, it is crucial to remember that everyone has their own journey and choice. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.